Okay guys, in this video we're going to go behind the scenes in my agency. I'm going to reveal how I get all of my marketing clients and the different strategies that I've implemented to get marketing clients. There's so many ways to get marketing clients nowadays. You're probably stumped and frustrated being like, okay, what's the best way for me to get clients? How do other people get actual paying clients? But not a lot of people say, the ways that have actually worked for them and actually getting them money in their pocket to get those SMMA clients. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal how I get all my marketing clients, so that way you can pretty much steal what I do and use that to get yourself some high paying clients. So let's get right into it. So if you don't know me, my name is Aaron Bogle, and not only do I help businesses generate profitable leads, I also show you guys how to get SMA clients and grow a profitable digital marketing agency. If you like the kind of stuff and you want the most up-to-date information, be sure to hit a like on this video and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. As you can tell, I am a small channel, so any sort of engagement really helps the YouTube algorithm. And also, please comment below your thoughts on the background. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on it, on ways I can improve it or things you want me to get rid of. Just anything would help. Thank you guys so much. By the way, all these methods have at least generated me $500 or more. We're gonna go through the method that's generated me, big money overall, $500, $1,000, $2,000. Overall, with these methods that I'm talking about, I'm not gonna list them in the best method overall to, the least best method. They're all gonna be, very effective. Just, you still wanna listen to all of them because one of the methods may be more effective for you than, let's say another method that I mentioned. So be sure to stick around to the end of this video so you hear all the methods I'm going to talk about. So the very first method that I have gotten clients in, and this is how I got my very first high paying client of $1,000+ is through cold calling. So if you don't know what cold calling is, that's literally just dialing the business's phone number and just asking for a meeting, so that way you can give them value and pitch your services. This is how I got my first client, and this is how I recommend everyone start out in the entrepreneurial or SMA space, simply just because it gives you experience talking to business owners. And what I like to say is you don't want the very first time you're talking to a business owner one where you could be making a potential $6,000+ sale. So I would rather you talk to a business owner where there's no chance of a sale, so that way you get the experience, you get the confidence to talk to business owners, and that way when you do talk to one that actually is interested in your services, then you know how to confidently talk to them, because it is an art. It is something that you kind of want to work on a little bit. You don't even have to make that many cold calls to actually really get used to it. It is a completely different ball game compared to talking to your friends, your family, your teacher, or anything like that. And also, this is the fastest way you can start generating appointments. So if you just spend 1 hour cold calling, I was able to generate 3, 4, 5 appointments just in that 1 hour. I have a bunch of live calls on this channel of me actually cold calling. I think there's one where I was only cold calling for around 15 minutes and I was able to book 3 appointments from it. So if you're interested in actually doing the cold calling and you want to use the script that I use that helped me book appointments like crazy, you can check the link in the description below. It's going to lead you to my free cold call script. And that script also includes a list of 10+ objections that you may hear during the call, and pretty much how to turn them around and get meetings from them. So the second way I've gotten all my marketing clients is by referrals. So once you get one client and you get them good results, they are going to want to refer you to other businesses as well, because businesses nowadays, they have a hard time finding good marketing companies or good reputable, companies in general. So they like to tell all their friends and family, being like, hey, this person's getting me good results. I think he can do the same thing for you as well. So one of my clients who I'm helping find employees for, he's sent me a couple of referrals, and one of them I was able to close, and that was a new client right there. And the referrals are honestly easy. You can simply just ask for it. If you want to ask for it, after you've seen that you've gained the customers really good results and they've expressed how happy they are with their services. And you can even give them a little bit of an incentive. Maybe for every client that you're able to sign up, they can get $100 off the next month of services. So a little bit of an incentive can go a long way, and then they can go out and get you new clients. And a referral is so much easier to close than someone who you cold call or do any other cold message with. So definitely, if you have a client, or maybe you have family and friends even that could refer you to some other businesses, definitely take that to your advantage, because that could be the easiest way you can get, your next SMMA client. Next method I've used to get some digital marketing clients, and some really high paying ones that are still working with me to this day, is actually with this platform you're watching me right now, YouTube. So, I've made videos on how to run Facebook ads to local businesses, Google ads, and different aspects in between. And because of that, businesses have reached out to me being like, hey, I'm interested in your services. Can we set up a time to call? And with most of these businesses, after we set up a time to call and I help them out, I give them even more value, then I'll be able to sign them up as clients. And a lot of the clients that I have to this day have found me through this YouTube. But it doesn't have to be through a YouTube channel. If you go a layer deeper, then it's pretty much I gave them value. I helped them solve a problem. They found the answer through me, through my YouTube channel. But if you don't want to do a YouTube channel, you can do something like writing blog articles and getting them ranked with SEO, and then people can reach out to you there. If you don't want to do that, you can go onto Facebook groups, find questions that people are asking, and answer them to the best of your ability. Any way, shape, or form you can give some sort of value to help the customer out is going to be one of the best ways to get your digital marketing clients, because they already know that I am the authority and that I'm the expert, and I can help them solve their problems. So if you can give some sort of value in some way, shape, or form, once the client reaches out to you, it's going to be so much easier to close. You don't really have to do anything really. It's pretty much like almost a foregone conclusion that the sale is done. So if you're liking this video so far, be sure to leave a like on this video and also hit that subscribe button as well. So before I get into the last way I've gotten my marketing clients, and this way helped me get clients when I had no experience, no case studies, none of that, I'm going to mention some honorable mentions. Pretty much I have gotten maybe appointments with these methods, but I haven't gotten any paying clients with them. So the first thing I want to mention is video DM. I love video DMing. I think it's the best way, but it takes up a lot of people's time. And if they see a video and they don't need your services, they simply just don't need your services. So just keep that in mind. The next way is Upwork. I've gotten a lot of appointments, through Upwork. And then the last thing is networking events. So way back when, I did go to a networking event to, see if I can get appointments. I was able to get a good amount of appointments, but I wasn't able to really, take those appointments and close them into clients. I may do it again in the future. I'm not really too sure. These other methods have been proven to be better, but that's another honorable mention as well. So the next way that I've gotten SMA clients is through simple cold emailing. So that's just literally grabbing their email address, saying my my lines, my pitch, and then hoping to schedule an appointment. I've been able to schedule lots of appointments using that. If you guys want to see the script that I use, again, it's that free cold call, cold email script. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much how I get all my marketing clients, through referrals, YouTube, cold calling, and cold emailing. And if you're looking for the best way to get SMA clients, if you have no experience or no case studies, click on the video up there and you're going to see exactly how to do that. See you guys in that video. Take care.